Let's find out the result using if condition and mean functions. We are supposed to use the two functions over here. So let me click on result of the Ramesh. So I am pressing the equal to. I will write down the if conditions over here. So here we need to add the logical test. For the same, I am using the main functions. So I would like to find out the minimum value out of these three. If that particular values are greater than or equal to 50, that means it is a pass. In double quote we are supposed to write down pass, else fail. So I'm just pressing that particular closing bracket. Now you can see the things, pass result is there. Let me drag and drop. So all the members are passed. Let me change the value of the Suresh to, let's say, 45. Let me press enter. Now you can see the things, fail is there. So by using this way you can write down the if conditions. Thank you for watching our video. If it is useful, make sure to like it, share with your friends, and don't forget to comment your questions. Thank you very much.